Hello. Also, I come today because I make for you very nice Egyptian salad. This is not like European one. This is Middle Eastern salad. Okay, we go now see what we need. We need to have dill. We need to have parsley, coriander, lettuce, 1 lemon, 2 onion, 2 tomato, 3 carrot, but because this is a small, this about the carrot, what you have, if one too big like this one, like that one, and 1 hot pepper. If you, this is the original recipe with hot pepper, but if you not like this is spicy, you not use it. And also red pepper, paprika, but also we not use it all, we use something like half. Okay, like we every time say, with this is a spoon, I did 1 spoon camel. This is 6 gram and 10 gram salt, and also the salt whatever like you like. Sometimes the people need a little bit less salt, much salt, but the Middle Eastern people, this is use salt and sugar more than European. This is vinegar. This is something like 1.5 teaspoon, and you need oil, because we also use oil, something like 2 spoon in it, 2-3 spoon in it. Okay, I go cut everything and I come back. Okay, I already cut everything. This is the carrot, the red paprika, and I forget say for you also cucumber, but sure you see this in the recipe. And we go make it now. This is all the herbs, I cut it, and the tomato. Okay, we go already mix everything together. This is this cucumber. This is also the onion and the carrot. We can use our spoon. The most of time not use a spoon because you not hear it too much in the video, but paprika. Look too healthy. Okay, and do the salt in it, the cumin in it, and the lemon in it. I always like the lemon fresh like that, because also have in supermarket, but like a small bottle with juice lemon in it, but the end I not feel this taste nice because this not fresh. Everything fresh more better. After we do the lemon in, this is not take time, this is the vinegar. the oil. We say like that, 1 spoon, 2 spoon, 3 spoon, and start mix everything together. This is the end. Tastes very nice. I think everyone like this salata. If you try make it and you eat it one time, I think you like to have it every day. And also take care, because after we mix it very well like I do, you still not can eat it. You need to leave it something like half hour, yeah. After half hour, and you every 10 minutes mix it again, and after half hour you see already this is all the salata make water in himself inside. Not use any water in it, not only do the recipe like you see me now I do, yeah. Okay, and after half hour you leave it like that. After half hour you can start serve it. Okay, now this is after something like 45 minutes. You can also see here, this is already make all the water for the salata, and this is very nice and also tastes very good. Okay, thank you very much because you watch my video, and please support my channel with like and subscribe and I see you next day. Bye bye.